Canned tuna is the hero ingredient in this delicious pasta recipe. It's fast to make and it's good for you. And canned tuna lasts almost forever without a fridge. I've added cherry tomatoes for flavor and color. Let's cook. Let's start by cooking pasta. I like penne because the sauce gets inside and brings flavor to every bite. Let that cook for 10 minutes or so. While that's cooking, drain a can of tuna. I prefer the flavor of tuna in water rather than in oil. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. This is chunk-like tuna, so let's break it up. Cherry tomatoes are packed with flavor and color. Let's cut them up so they cook better and make a wonderful sauce. I have some shallots, so let's cut one up finely, but any type of onion will do. We're using only one pot, so drain the pasta and set it aside. Some oil into the pot. Add the onions and let them brown. Some garlic powder. And then the cut up tomatoes. Mash well and cook for a few minutes until they're soft. Add the tuna. Let that simmer 2 or 3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of cream or evaporated milk. Let that simmer for another 2 minutes. Add back the pasta, mix it well, and let it heat up. Serve. Garnish with dried basil and salt to taste. Enjoy! So there it is, a wonderfully creamy, tomatoey tasting comfort food. Let's start the engine.